In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a seller on Fiverr. Whether you've encountered an unpleasant experience, stumbled upon inappropriate content, or noticed behavior that violates Fiverr's guidelines, reporting a seller is an important step in ensuring the platform remains a safe and trustworthy environment for all. Let's walk through this process together to help you effectively communicate any issues you might have. First things first, you'll need to open up your Fiverr account and navigate to your messages. This is essentially where you've kept communication with different sellers. You'll want to find the specific conversation you had with the seller you are intending to report. It might take a bit of scrolling if you have multiple chats, but you can use the search functionality if you're struggling to locate it. Once you've found the right conversation, look for a message sent by the seller in question. On the top right corner of their message, you'll see 3 small dots. Give those a click. This will bring up a few different options, one of which should be the reporting function. Keep an eye out for a little flag icon. It's usually associated with reporting features not just on Fiverr, but across many platforms. Now, click on the report option. This action is really the critical first step in alerting Fiverr's support team to your issue. Once you click that, a window will pop up, prompting you to select a reason for your report. It's important to choose the option that best fits your particular situation. Fiverr provides a variety of reasons to ensure all potential issues are covered, ranging from inappropriate content to violation of terms. So, read through them carefully. After selecting your reason, click Next. Here's where you'll provide additional context. It's your opportunity to describe the issue in detail and explain why it's problematic. The more precise you are with your description, the better equipped Fiverr's support team will be to assess and handle your report. They might need to investigate the situation further, and your detailed input will be invaluable. Once you've outlined all pertinent details, go ahead and click Next again. Finally, it's time to submit your report. There might be a final set of prompts or confirmations to ensure all required information has been provided. Simply follow these last steps, and your report will be sent off to Fiverr for review. Reporting issues like this helps maintain the quality and integrity of the community, so your efforts here really do make a difference. And there you have it. By completing these steps, you now know how to effectively report a seller on Fiverr. Thank you for taking the time to learn this process. Your actions help promote a trustworthy online environment for everyone involved. Until next time.